Welcome back, everyone. My name is Dr. Molly Pearson, and for today's body armor, we're going to be talking about wrist pain. So maybe you've noticed pain whether you're driving your car, bringing that barbell or dumbbells to that front rack position, lifting overhead, you name it. The exercise that I have for you, or technically two, are resisted radial and ulnar deviation. And so that is these different sideways motions that allow us to move throughout the day and do different tasks, or even while we're working out in the gym. So all you're going to need is a TheraBand, something light, whether it be a small yellow one or the small red one. With the red one, I would just do a single band so that it's not too much resistance and you can still control it. And so what we're thinking about in this position is that we're really going to be focusing on that ulnar deviation. And so that's when I turn or cock my wrist out to the side, so it's neutral, and I'm turning it out. So I'm keeping my elbow by my side, shoulders back, core is tight. I'm going to turn out and slowly come back in. So I have some resistance on that band, cock my wrist out, and turn back in. We'll go out and come back in. And so I would do 3 to 4 sets of anywhere from 10 to 15, if not more, to improve that strength, reduce your aches and pains. Now for radial deviation, it's going to be the opposite. Just so that I'm still facing the camera and you all can see, I'm going to keep my shoulder still in line, shoulders back, elbow tucked to my side, and I'm just going to turn my wrist in. And I'm going to turn my wrist in, hold it for a couple of seconds, and relax. Go in and back to neutral. So I'm not moving my arm is staying neutral. I'm just turning my fist. And so same thing goes. We want to think about doing high reps for this to help reduce any aches and pains that you might have. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.